vehicle? Check out 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.